Continuing coverage of breaking news in Truro Township, as Jennifer was just mentioning here.
Yeah, firefighters are battling a huge fire. It's in an apartment building on East Livingston Avenue. NBC4's Dan Perlman has just spoken with the firefighters. Dan, what can you tell us about this fire?
Yeah, well, they just told me that the fire here is contained. It is under control. If you take a look, you can see the building over here where it happened, still smoking, so a little bit of steam and smoke, both rising from it. Firefighters tell me this is a townhome building. There are 6 townhomes in this building. At least one of those, as you can see, sustained a large amount of damage. Good news out here, firefighters tell me everybody made it out safely. Certainly good news, especially on a very cold morning like this, that they were able to get the fire under control relatively quickly and get everybody out safely. As for the cause, firefighters say it remains under investigation and maybe some time before we know what exactly started all of this. For now, we are live in Reynoldsburg. Dan Perlman, NBC4.
Dan, thank you.